Good morning, students. Today we are going to introduce Unit 9, Cool Clear Water. Please open your booklet, page 1, in order to introduce the new words. The first word is salt water. Salt water like seawater. Fresh water, it's water which is found in lakes and rivers. Glacier, it's a large mass of ice which moves slowly, usually down a slope or valley. Iceberg, it's a very large mass of ice that floats in the sea. For example, Titanic hit an iceberg and sank in less than 3 hours. A spring, a place where water naturally flows out from the ground. A splash is a verb. If a liquid splashes or if you splash a liquid, it means that it falls on or hits something or someone. For example, unfortunately, some paint splashed onto the rug, or some paint falls on the rug. Flow is a verb, especially of liquids, gases, or electricity, means to move in one direction, especially continuously and easily. Melt is a verb, means to turn from something solid into liquid. Flood is a verb, means to cause to become covered with water, especially in a way that causes problem. Flood also can be a noun which means large amount of water. Soak is a verb, means to make something very wet. For example, soak the beans in water. Pour is a verb, means to make a substance flow from a container, especially into another container. Canal, waterway that has been built. A channel, a natural waterway. So pay attention to the difference between canal and channel. Canal has been built, but the channel is a natural one. Drift is a verb, means to move slowly, especially as a result of outside forces like air or water. Subcontinent, a large area of land which is part of a continent, like India or Pakistan. Shortage, when there is not enough of something. Molecule, it's a noun, means the simplest unit of a chemical substance, usually a group of 2 or more atoms. Now let's move to the grammar of this unit. In this unit we are going to talk about conditionals. First, conditional if plus present simple, the second part will plus infinitive. For example, if it rains, I will stay at home. The probability of the first conditional is 50%. The second conditional if plus past simple, the second part would plus infinitive. For example, if I won the lottery, I would buy a car. And the probability of the second conditional if is 5%. Third conditional if plus past perfect, the second part would have plus bb. For example, if I had won the lottery, I would have bought a car. And the probability of the third conditional is 0%. Zero conditional if plus present simple, the second part present simple. If you heat ice, it melts. So the probability of zero conditional if is 100%. Now open your booklet, page 7, in order to answer this question. Use the correct form of the verbs between brackets. Number 1. What would you do if it space on your wedding day? What would you do if it rained? Second conditional if. Number 2. If she comes, I will call you. First conditional. Number 3. If I eat peanut butter, I will get sick. First conditional. Number 4. What will you do if you fail the history exam? First conditional. Number 5. If they had not taken, past participle. If they had not taken the car, I would have driven you. Third conditional if. Number 6. If it doesn't snow, still drive to the coast. Number 7. He would have gone with you if you had asked him. Number 8, if I won $1,000,000, I would buy my own plane. Number 9, if I forget her birthday, Andra will get upset. Number 10, Jacob will pick you up at school if it snows. Now question 2, rewrite these sentences using the conditional sentences. Number 1, I didn't see the signal, so I didn't stop. Use if. So the answer will be, if I had seen the signal, I would have stopped. Number 2, she is very shy, that's why she doesn't enjoy parties. If she wasn't shy, she would enjoy the parties. Number 3, I didn't know your number, so I didn't ring. If I had known your number, I would have rung. Number 4, he doesn't take any exercise, that's why he is so unhealthy. If he took some exercise, he wouldn't be unhealthy. Number 5, she didn't speak to him, possibly because she was so shy. If she hadn't been shy, she would have spoken to him. Number 6, my number isn't in the directory, so people don't ring me up. If my number was in the directory, people would ring me up. Number 7, I only came up the stairs because the lift wasn't working. If the lift had been working, I wouldn't have come up the stairs. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Goodbye.